How to fix your App Store cannot connect error option on your iPhone. So if you're also facing such issue where your iPhone is saying that your App Store cannot connect when you open the App Store for first time, then in that case what you want to do is just head over to your settings and click on Wi-Fi and make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi network connection, and also you are connected to a correct Wi-Fi. So once you do that, just come back to general and scroll down and click on this VPN option and make sure you are not connected to any VPN, or your device is not connected to any VPN. Just come back and simply come back to general option once again by locating under your settings and simply click on this transfer reset iPhone and click on reset and just try resetting your network settings if there's issue with your network. So once you do all of that, just head back and simply come over to your software update available. As you can see, there's available software update in my case. So see if your case is also same, that is, try reinstalling your software if there's no update available, and that should fix your issue just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.